Hi guys, wow, welcome back to my channel Kipesha Cooks. Today we are going to make biryani ya kuku. This means chicken biryani. So you're going to need garlic and ginger paste. You are going to mix it in your chicken. Then you will add vanilla yogurt. You're going to mix this up very well until all the yogurt and the garlic and ginger paste is incorporated in the chicken. Let it sit for an hour. Meanwhile, you are going to fry your onions until they're golden brown. Make sure to use enough oil because we are trying to deep fry the onions. These are two large onions that I've used. Once they turn golden brown, you're going to put them aside. So you have your marinated chicken, you have your onions. This is coriander, dhania. This is tomato and a few spices. We have cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, cumin, paprika, and turmeric. These are the spices you need for biryani. Now this is normal rice that you have made. We are going to have patches of egg yellow food color. You can use turmeric if you don't have food color. So you mix your food color or turmeric into water and then you will drop in each and every patch. So I've put my chicken to boil a little bit with a little bit of water together with the yogurt, just the way it was marinated. I'm checking in on my rice. After the rice has cooked, I will add a little bit of the onions on top. Then I will cover and give it around 10 minutes. So this was the process I was telling you. In a bit of water, you will add your marinade and your chicken and let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. After the 8 to 10 minutes, we add our spices. I'd recommend half a teaspoon of each. This is paprika. Add in your cumin. Cumin, I usually put 3/4 because I like the smell. So 3/4 of a teaspoon. This is cinnamon. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Turmeric for the color. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. There's black pepper. Not too much, half a teaspoon. Then, lastly, cardamom. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. You're going to mix it. At this point, you can add salt. So you should check your chicken. If you still feel like your chicken is pink or red, that means you still need to give it a bit of time. I'm checking in on my rice after I have added the onions. after the 10 minutes, and I'm sure it is cooked very well. There it is. So I'm going to give it a good mix, like so. I have mixed it properly so that the onions are together with the rice. You've noticed that our biryani is getting a bit thick because the water has evaporated, and now we're left with yogurt. At that point, I will add tomatoes and tomato paste if you have. It's not compulsory to use tomato paste, but if you have, go in with it. It looks so colorful. Also, monitor your heat. If the heat is too high, your chicken might burn. So keep monitoring, reducing and increasing. We want our tomatoes to cook completely, to be soft until they disappear. So I covered it until it cooks very well. Our mixture gets thicker, as you can see. So after you are sure that your chicken is well cooked, there are no red patches, you add in your onions. You add in your onions and the oil that you used to fry the onions. 2 tablespoons is enough because this is half a chicken, so 2 tablespoons of the oil will be enough. So the onions make your stew thicker and your mixture thicker, and so does the yogurt. Oil, so I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes before it's ready to serve. So the last point is to add in my dania, coriander leaves, and give it a good mix. At this point, I've already switched off the heat. Now it's ready to serve. The reason as to why we needed to put the food color in patches is because we need a bit of white rice, a bit of yellow rice to give it that colorful look. And there is our biryani ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I would really appreciate and be glad if you subscribed and commented after you've tried. Thank you, guys. Bye.